Hey guys, quick update on my Orangewood Dana. Hadn't had it out for a while, told you much about it. Strangely enough, this guitar, it's probably my least expensive guitar and it's probably my most played guitar. It just keeps working, it holds tune. I keep looking for something to complain about on it, but I really can't find it. This just has become such a common part of my everyday playing of the guitar. I just recently restrung it. I changed it back from a set of 10s to a set of 12s. I think I like a little heavier string on this guitar just for the sound. It sounds great. I haven't updated you for a while on the system, so just a very nice little guitar. If you're thinking about a smaller footprint guitar, smaller format guitar, this is definitely nice and comfortable to use, and it's that perfect couch guitar. Whenever you find you've got something you want to try out or something new that you're just trying to explore, I find this guitar for me is my go-to instrument, and that probably explains why I end up playing it a lot. Anyway, great little guitar, sounds good, plays good. Hope you get a chance to try one yourself. Take care.